Hello, welcome back to the Healthy Temple. In this video, we're counting down the top 8 morning drinks that can help shrink an enlarged prostate and improve your overall prostate health. Stick around until the end because number 1 drink might just surprise you. 8. Green tea. Green tea is packed with powerful antioxidants called catechins, which help reduce inflammation in the prostate and may even slow the progression of BPH. Plus, it fights oxidative stress, one of the main culprits behind prostate cell damage. Start your morning with a warm cup of green tea, and you'll not only feel refreshed but also give your prostate a natural boost. Make it a daily habit, and your body will thank you. 7. Pomegranate juice. Pomegranates are loaded with polyphenols and antioxidants that help reduce prostate inflammation and protect against cell damage. Some studies even suggest that pomegranate juice could help slow the growth of prostate cancer cells. For the best results, go for fresh, unsweetened pomegranate juice in the morning to support both your prostate and heart health. 6. Nettle root tea. A traditional herbal remedy that has been used for centuries to support urinary and prostate health. Nettle root helps by blocking certain enzymes that contribute to prostate tissue growth, making it effective in reducing BPH symptoms like frequent urination. Plus, it works to balance hormone levels by preventing testosterone from converting into dihydrotestosterone, DHT, a hormone linked to prostate enlargement. A warm cup of nettle root tea in the morning can soothe your bladder and provide long-term prostate support. 5. Lemon water. Sometimes simple is best, and lemon water is one of the easiest and most effective morning drinks for overall health. Lemons are packed with vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that reduces inflammation and helps flush toxins from the body. Drinking warm lemon water on an empty stomach in the morning can improve digestion, hydrate your body, and support your prostate and bladder health. 4. Turmeric tea. Turmeric tea is often called liquid gold because of its incredible anti-inflammatory benefits. The key compound in turmeric is curcumin, which has been shown to help reduce swelling in the prostate, making it a great natural remedy for BPH symptoms. It also supports immune health and liver detoxification, which means your entire body benefits. To maximize turmeric's benefits, add a pinch of black pepper to your tea. This helps your body absorb curcumin more effectively. 3. Cranberry juice. Cranberry juice is famous for urinary tract health but also great for the prostate. Cranberries contain proanthocyanidins, which prevent bacteria from sticking to the bladder and urinary tract, reducing the risk of infections. Plus, its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties help ease prostate swelling and improve urine flow. For the best benefits, choose unsweetened cranberry juice. Added sugars can cancel out its health effects. 2. Ginger tea. Ginger is packed with anti-inflammatory compounds like gingerol and shogal, which help reduce prostate swelling and discomfort. It also works as a natural diuretic, promoting healthy urine flow and reducing nighttime bathroom trips. Plus, ginger boosts blood circulation, helping your prostate get the nutrients it needs. A warm cup of ginger tea in the morning is a flavorful and comforting way to start your day while giving your prostate a health boost. 1. Saw palmetto tea. And finally, we have saw palmetto tea, one of the most effective natural remedies for an enlarged prostate. Saw palmetto is known for its ability to block DHT, the hormone responsible for prostate enlargement. By reducing DHT levels, this herb can help shrink the prostate, improve urine flow, and ease symptoms like frequent urination and weak streams. A daily cup of saw palmetto tea may even reduce the need for medications or invasive treatments, making it an excellent natural option for prostate health. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more natural health tips. Share this video with friends and family who could benefit. Have you tried any of these drinks? Do you have your own prostate health tips? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Here's to better prostate health, one morning drink at a time.